Hi, I'm Miss Amy. Today I'm at the train station. Wait, can you hear that? Woo-woo! Woo-woo! Wow, let's go on a train ride together. Okay, here we go. Little red caboose, chug, chug, chug. Little red caboose, chug, chug, chug. Little red caboose behind the train, train, train. Coming down the track, 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 track. Smokestack on his back, 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 back. Little red caboose behind the train. Woo, woo! A peanut sat on a railroad track. His heart was all a-flutter. Round the bend came a choo-choo train. Toot-toot peanut butter, 'cause it ain't gonna rain no more, no more. Ain't gonna rain no more. How in the heck can I wash my neck if it ain't gonna rain no more? No, no, it ain't gonna rain no more, no more. Ain't gonna rain no more. How in the dickens can the cows wash the chickens if it ain't gonna rain no more? Woo-woo! 'Cause I've been working on a railroad all the live long day. Woo-woo! I've been working on a railroad just to pass the time away. Can't you hear the whistle blowing? Rise up so early in the morning. Can't you hear the captain shouting? Time to blow your horn. Woo-woo! Are you ready to dance? Here we go. Time won't you blow, time won't you blow, time won't you blow your horn. Time won't you blow, time won't you blow, time won't you blow your horn. 'Cause now there's someone in the kitchen with Dinah. Someone's in the kitchen, I know. Whoa, someone's in the kitchen with Dinah. Strumming on an old banjo, she's singing P-5-Billy-I-O, P-5-Billy-I-O, oh, P-5-Billy-I-O. Woo-woo! Strumming on her old banjo. Wow, that was great. Remember, it's okay to toot your own horn now and then. I'm Miss Amy. Remember to create, relate, and celebrate who you are. Bye!